One day, a girl named Lisa had to learn to drive. Lisa was scared. Driving seemed hard. She was worried about making mistakes. Lisa's first driving lesson came. She sat in the car. Her hands were shaking. The driving instructor said, "Don't worry. I'm here to help." Lisa tried to feel better. Lisa started the car. She drove very slowly. She was careful. The instructor said, "Good job." Lisa felt a little better. Each day, Lisa practiced driving. She learned to turn, stop, and park. Sometimes, she made mistakes. But the instructor was kind. He said, "It's okay to make mistakes. That's how you learn." Lisa kept practicing. She started to feel less scared. Driving became easier. She even started to enjoy it. Finally, Lisa had to take her driving test. She was nervous but ready. She remembered everything she learned. Lisa passed the test. She was very happy. She overcame her fear of driving. Lisa learned that it's okay to be scared. But with practice and help, she could do it. She was proud of herself.
What was Lisa scared of? How did the driving instructor help Lisa? How did Lisa feel after passing her driving test?